If you want to add widgets to the home screen on OnePlus 15R, what you can do is you can, for example, press and hold your finger on an empty space on the home screen in order to go into this editing mode. Then at the bottom we can find widgets, and now we should be able to choose any of the apps that you have on your phone, and you can find widgets for that app. So let's say I'm going to choose the IR remote, and then over here we can press the add button in order to add the widget to the home screen. You can of course then press and hold your finger in order to change the position of the widget, and you can place it anywhere. If you press and hold it, sometimes you can also find the option to adjust the size of the widget. In this case, as you can see, we can grab by this bottom right corner. Unfortunately, we can only use the bottom right corner, so you can adjust its size by grabbing by it. And in some cases, of course, the resizing is not possible. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.